welcome back to my channel. It is good to be with you today again. So in this video I'm going to be guiding us through the process to do this PAWS task, this easy PAWS web access for 5,000 PAWS. So if this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit on that like button on this video, also the subscription button, as well as that notification bell. With this, you'll be able to see my videos as soon as they are released. So very quickly, when you come to PAWS to do this task, when you come to PAWS, you just come to this end section. This end section here, then it will bring you to this page. Then you can see this task here. So you just hit on this start here. When you hit on this start, then they bring out options for browsers, some browsers option. So for this video, I'm going to be using the Chrome browser. So I'll just hit on this first one, which is Chrome here. I'll just tap on it. Then when it opens, it opens on the Chrome browser. All right, now, so what you have to do here is now this three dotted line at the top right corner of your screen, this one here, you click on it. Now when you click on it, you locate add to home screen. This is add to home screen. Then you tap on this. Now when you tap on this, you will see create shortcuts. Now don't edit this name, just leave it that way. Then you come here and click on this add here. You just tap on add. Then it comes like this, say add shortcuts to desktop. Now you just come to click on this add automatically, this one here. You tap on it. Then after you've done that, you can just close this page, come back to your home screen. You can see this is it. It is added. You can see this PAWS here, it has added. So what you do is you just close this page, and this page, the PAWS and the Telegram page and also the browser page, you close them. Then you come to your home screen where this PAWS shortcut that was added, this one, you click on it. Now when you click on it, it opens. You allow it to open PAWS on the browser. All right, you can see it says verify yourself. Just tap on this verify yourself. Now it opens, it comes back to Telegram. So what you have to do is to just at times it just open PAWS automatically. Now it is opening. Now it says continue in website or stay in Telegram. I'll just click on stay in Telegram here. Now by now you should be able to claim the reward for the task. So just for you to you just come back here to this end, you tap on it. Now you can see it says claim. Now you can see it says claim. So I'll just tap on this claim. You can see it's claimed. So I've done that task. Now all you have to do is to just go and create shortcuts, then close all the page, then enter through the shortcut. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, as well as hit on that notification bell.